Okay, so this is the pendulum exercises. The purpose of this is to create mobilization, movement, blood flow, and you want to make sure the range of motion in your shoulder is sustained. So what you're going to do, you don't need anything that's too heavy. Here's a 2-pound weight, more than enough with gravity. So you're going to stabilize yourself using the opposite arm and letting this hang. You're going to start going in small circles first with no pain and discomfort, then you gradually increase the radius and the distance, and you go as far as you can, about 20 seconds in total at one way. After the 20 seconds is up, you stop, you go the other way, following the same pattern, slow, small circles first, then gradually increase the range and the distance as you go 20 seconds. And that makes sure that the range of motion is increased gradually, but also safely.